How to access entertainment with Google Built-in. With Google Built-in, you can easily and conveniently select which music or podcast application you would like. On the steering wheel, to change source, using the up and down keys will scroll through all the available audio sources. To use the touchscreen, simply tap the app menu icon, then find and select the desired source. Of course, Google Built-in also allows you to select and control your entertainment through voice. To activate Google Assistant, either press the talk button on the steering wheel or say, "Hey Google," and tell the Google Assistant what you would like to do.
Hey Google, play Yacht Rock on SiriusXM.
Streaming Yacht Rock from SiriusXM. Music, sports, and news.
Hey Google, pause the song. Hey Google, play FM 102.1 The Edge.
Okay, here's FM 102.1 The Edge on your car radio.
To adjust the volume settings, either use the touchscreen slider, the volume control on the steering wheel, or ask Google Assistant to adjust the volume by percentage. It really is remarkably simple to use.